Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, wa bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara, وَالْوَالِدَاتُ يُرْضِعْنَ أَوْلَادَهُنَّ حَوْلَيْنِ كَامِلَيْنِ لِمَنْ أَرَادَ أَنْ يُتِمَّ الرَّضَاعَةَ وَعَلَى الْمَوْلُودِ لَهُ رِزْقُهُنَّ وَكِسْوَتُهُنَّ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ لا تكلف نفس إلا وسعها لا تضار والدة بولدها ولا مولود له بولده وعلى الوارث مثل ذلك فإن أراد فصالا عن تراض منهما وتشاور فلا جناح عليهما وإن أردتم أن تسترضعوا أولادكم فلا جناح عليكم إذا سلمتم ما آتيتم بالمعروف واتقوا الله واعلموا أن الله بما تعملون بصير. Translation: Mothers should breastfeed their children for 2 full years. That is for those who wish to complete suckling. Then it is the duty of father of child to provide food and clothing and reasonable expenses for the nursing mothers. Nobody is burdened beyond his capacity. No mother should be made to suffer through her child, nor the father be made to suffer on account of his child born. And similarly, it is obligatory upon the relatives of father, heirs, like of that father, if they desire to wean the child by mutual consent and consultation. It is no sin for them, and if you wish to give your children out for nursing, then it is no sin for you, provided that you give payment agreed what is due from you in kindness. Be pious with fear of Allah and know that Allah is seeing all what you do. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in previous ayahs explained the commandments about divorce and nikah. And as a result of divorce, the infants are most affected because they cannot live without their mothers, and they cannot live if the mothers are feeding them their breast milk. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the biggest support for the weak, Allah has given commandments for these weak children, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded that this is the duty of the mother to breastfeed their children. And this is the commandment of Allah. And the question comes, which mother? The mother which is in the nikah of the father, or the one who is divorced? The answer is both of the mothers should feed their infants. However, the commandment is that if there is divorce, then during the iddat, the husband will be feeding and providing clothing to the mother anyways. But after the iddat, the father has to pay the mother for breastfeeding. And if for any reason the mother cannot feed, then the father can hire any woman for nursing and must pay her for the nursing. If both mother and father decides that the baby is weaned off from the breast milk before the complete 2 years, it is also permissible. However, they can decide to continue nursing for the complete 2 years. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the order that the mother should not give hard time to the father because of the baby, and the father should not give hard time to the mother because of the baby, and they should act in the form of ma'ruf, in the act of the best possible behavior. If the father of the baby has passed away, then the legal heirs of the baby should pay for the nursing. Let's pray that Allah help us act on the commandments of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.